Slow shipping times is by far the biggest challenge in dropshipping. Depending solely on AliExpress suppliers with 30 to 40 day shipping speeds can cripple your business. So to avoid that, I'll be showing you how to find winning products with private suppliers that can deliver your packages to your customers in just 4 days. You guys already know that speed is everything in e-commerce. Customers expect their orders to arrive quickly, and if you can't meet those expectations, you'll run into a whole range of problems, from refunds and chargebacks to lost sales. So when you're ready, we'll jump into my laptop and we'll find winning products with fast shipping speeds. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. So I want to start by finding a quick winning product to sell so that we can actually source a supplier for that product that can get us anywhere between 3 and 7 day shipping speeds. We'll start by going over my winning product criteria, or everything that I look for in a potential dropshipping product to sell. We've talked about this many times on this channel before, so I'll keep it very quick. But if you guys want to go more into detail on that and see some of my more advanced product research methods, be sure to check out one of those videos. I'll leave one linked for you down below. So after we find a winning product on AliExpress, we'll talk about AliExpress suppliers versus private suppliers. Then we'll jump into third-party logistics, or 3PL, and I'll explain exactly what all of that is. So by the end of this video, you guys will know how to find winning products, source private suppliers, and get your products to your customers in just 3 to 7 days. So starting with my winning product criteria, what do we look for in every product that we sell? Keep in mind, it doesn't have to match all of these, but typically you want to pair it with at least 2 to 3 of these criteria. Starting with number 1, your product should solve a potential problem or a customer pain point. Whether that's a pain relief product or a product that boosts your customer's confidence, you want to sell products that help them achieve a result, something that they desire, and you guys can speak to them through your marketing. Number 2, you want your products to be unique and not sold in stores. You don't want them to drive down the street to their local Walmart and pick up the exact same thing that you're selling. Number 3, your product should have the wow factor, or scroll stopping ability. You guys should be able to stop customers right in their tracks when they're scrolling on social media, whether it be TikTok or Facebook or any other platform, and get them to watch your entire video. Obviously, having a good hook can achieve this same result, but you want your product to speak for itself. Number 4, you guys want to sell evergreen products, or products that can sell all year round. You don't just want to focus on trending or seasonal products that will die down with demand later on. You guys want to be able to sell it with peak demand all year round. Those are just a few factors that I look for in potential winning products that I want to sell. Now let's perform some quick product research to find a product to talk about in this video. I'm here on my Nia. They're an advanced ad spy tool that browses ads on Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. And right now I'm looking at the top Shopify stores that are advertising on TikTok. So I'm going to keep scrolling through this list until I find a product that catches my attention and we can use as an example to source a supplier for. So I found this ad right here from Diverse Galore for this mini blender, and we've seen this product many times in the past. I would actually consider it saturated by now, but we'll use it for the purpose of this video. So this ad was published on January 21st. It's still active. It's gotten almost 30,000 views, 53 comments. It's not one of the greatest engagement ads out there, but we'll be using it for this video. So you guys can take a look at their product page right here. It's actually a pretty bad product page, I'm not gonna lie, but they are just a general dropshipping source, so they're obviously just testing out this product. We'll move over to AliExpress and we'll find a product listing for this exact same product, and we'll talk about sourcing it on AliExpress versus working with a private supplier that can get you your own private line of logistics. So if we wanted to start out by testing this product, this is a potential supplier that you could start working with. You guys can see they have it for $9.69. They have choice delivery. You guys can see from this image right here already that they support drop shipping. It ships out in 24 hours with AliExpress or Kaneo shipping. It has over 2,000 recent orders, almost 300 high rated reviews. But keep in mind, we don't want to work with AliExpress long term. Yes, it's okay to start using them when you're first testing out a product and generating your first few sales and just validating your idea about this winning product. But long term, if you keep using AliExpress, you're going to run into a whole range of problems. AliExpress suppliers are simply middlemen. They're sourcing these products from other suppliers, shipping them out for you, and keeping the remaining profit. kind of like what me and you are doing with dropshipping. A lot of times as you go to scale, these suppliers cannot keep up with your demand. You'll have delayed orders, slow shipping speeds, and a lot of times these suppliers will start sending out fake tracking numbers. So while it's great to start out with, you guys definitely want to source your own private supplier once you start getting a few orders a day consistently. After you guys validate these winning products to be a success, it's time to move on and source a private supplier when you guys go to scale. And this will save you a lot of money in the long run because working with private suppliers not only lowers your cost, but it improves customer expectations and you guys have to deal with less customer service like refunds and chargebacks, complaints, lost orders, all of that stuff that comes with AliExpress. Plus, you guys can go from a dropshipping store to a dropshipping brand this way. A lot of these private suppliers can get you custom thank you cards, custom packaging, and just put your logo wherever you need it. So yes, you can start off testing products on AliExpress, but once you start generating a few sales, it's time to move on to private logistics. So now let's talk about finding a private supplier for this product. So once you guys start making a few sales a day and you're ready to move on from AliExpress suppliers, you guys should be looking at 3PL fulfillment or third-party logistics. This simply means you're working with a new fulfillment partner that will source all of your products for you for much cheaper as well, hold them all in their own warehouse, and ship out your orders as they come in. You guys can work with custom thank you cards, custom packaging, and a lot of these 3PL services will even do product photography for you. The benefits of working with a 3PL supplier is 1, lower costs, 2, faster shipping speeds with your own private line of logistics, and 3, more room to scale and grow your brand. These services are a lot more reliable than just depending on AliExpress suppliers. And this is what all the big brands out there are doing. So if you guys want to have any success with dropshipping in 2024, you need to work with 3PL fulfillment. Let's go over a few popular options. So one of the most popular options out there is ShipBob. You guys can go on their website right here, fill out this little form and request a quote. But they do everything that we just talked about. They fulfill your orders, they work with a ton of different businesses. They have over 50 fulfillment centers around the world. But I will say when I've worked with ShipBob in the past, they have been a little bit pricey. And you guys definitely want to keep costs low, especially in the beginning. Their service is okay. I really can't complain about it the couple of times I've worked with them, but the price can definitely deter you. So let's go over my favorite option and the one that I've been working with over the past couple of years. This is FulFillman right here. They're another 3PL service for dropshippers. They offer fulfillment for Shopify dropshippers like you and I, as well as Amazon FBA sellers and everything in between. I find them to be a lot more affordable and their service is far superior than any other 3PL service I've ever worked with. Not only their fulfillment and fast shipping times, but also their customer service. They assign you your own account manager that makes sure everything is running smoothly with your brand. Unlike many other businesses out there, these guys truly care about you and your business. You guys can see their website right here. They have their entire process, how everything works. You sell your items, they source your items, they purchase your products for you, they do quality checks and make sure everything is up to standards. They ship your products out, and like I already mentioned, they keep you updated throughout this entire process. Here's just a few of the many benefits that they offer. They have custom branding. You guys can put your logo on packages, flyers, business cards, custom packages, and so much more. They have bundling. You guys can actually create upsells and bundles with FulFillman. And most importantly, they have their private line of logistics where they can get your products in 3 to 7 days, and it doesn't even matter which country you're shipping to. And they offer a ton of additional services like product photography, where they'll take high quality pictures of your products that you can use in your branding, your ads, your website, or anywhere you need them. So I just want to show you guys a few tracking numbers from one of my own stores. These are orders that were sent out in early January, and I just want to show you how fast and reliable their fulfillment actually is at FulFillment. You guys can see I shipped this order from China to the Netherlands. It arrived in 4 days. Same thing right here, 4 days. China to Spain, 7 days, 7 days. Shipping orders out to France, we had 5-day delivery. In the United States, we had 5 and 4-day delivery, all for the same store. As you guys already know, AliExpress suppliers could never do this. And if they did offer that service, you guys would be paying 50, 60 bucks per delivery just for shipping. But FulFillman doesn't charge you any hidden fees or shipping costs. It's all included in your quote. So in case you're interested, this is FulFillman's homepage right here. I'll leave a link for you to check them out down below. You guys can see all the different services that they offer for dropshippers, for Amazon sellers, just sourcing products from China, crowdfunding fulfillment, product photography, their private line of logistics. You guys can see what some of their clients have to say about them. And obviously they integrate directly with platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and so on. You guys can see right here that FulFillman has delivered over 2.4 million packages for dropshippers, and they work with over 2,500 clients. And they'll work directly with your brand, giving you your own custom packaging, thank you cards, flyers, or really anything that you need. So when you guys find a winning product that you're ready to scale, simply go on FulFillman's website and select get a free quote right here, and they'll get back to you instantly. Like I said, I've been using these guys for years, and I'm still currently using them on 3 of my own dropshipping stores that I'm running right now. They are by far better than any other 3PL service that I've ever worked with. So let's just give a quick recap of when and why you should be transitioning to a 3PL service. Once you guys find a product that you want to sell on AliExpress and you start generating your first few sales, it's time to move on. AliExpress suppliers simply can't keep up with the demand for your brand, and they'll ruin it long term. Not only that, you don't want your brand to have 30 and 40-day shipping speeds. If you want to be in the dropshipping game long term, you need fast fulfillment and custom packaging and branding elements that we just talked about. This will set you apart from other dropshippers and allow you to sell your products at scale. But we don't want to jump into 3PL services without first validating our idea. So make sure you're at least generating a few sales a day consistently. But if you guys found a true winning product based on our criteria, this should be easy. So once you guys are generating a few sales a day and you're ready to move on from AliExpress, simply reach out to one of these 3PL suppliers, fill out some more information about your brand, request a quote, and start talking with their team. And for a very reasonable price, much lower than working with AliExpress suppliers, these suppliers will source your products for you, hold on to everything, print your custom thank you notes and packages and all of that good stuff, and ship all of your orders out to your customers as these orders come in, and get your products out in 3 to 7 days. You guys can see based on the tracking numbers I just went over, it doesn't matter which country you're advertising to, and it doesn't matter which products you're selling. This is the end result of any dropshipping store. Working with AliExpress suppliers should only be for validating your products and shipping out your first couple of orders. Plus, working with suppliers like this will create lifetime customers that keep coming back for more. If you guys are sending out orders from AliExpress with 30 to 40-day shipping times, you're gonna have a ton of angry customers that never purchase from you again. So this is the only way you should be scaling your brand in 2024. There's everything you need to start getting your products to your customers fast. The rise of Amazon and other e-commerce giants have definitely shifted customer expectations, and it's up to you to meet them. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have a free course to help you get started, linked down below. Don't miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.